Moving day is stressful enough, but what happens if your movers damage your stuff? Do you know what to do next? I'm Pete from MoveAdvisor, your go-to for making any home move cheaper, easier and safer. Today, we're breaking down the complete claims process, from documenting your items before the move to filing a formal claim if things go wrong. Stay tuned, because knowing these steps could save you thousands. Let's start before the movers even arrive, because what you do now determines whether you make a successful claim later. So photograph everything, especially valuable items or fragile items. Take close-ups of serial numbers and receipts. Next, create an inventory list. Write down what you have and its condition. Next, read your mover's valuation policy carefully. This is their version of insurance, and it dictates what they'll actually pay if something's damaged. Check the mover's DOT or FMCSA record. That's how you know they're licensed and insured. And here's a pro tip: if the mover refuses to give you their DOT number, walk away. Now, a quick word about insurance. Packing things yourself and hiring professional packers. Here's something most people don't realise. If you pack your own boxes, they're usually not covered by insurance. If you pack it and it breaks, that's often on you. Professional packers aren't just faster, they're trained and insured. If they pack it and it breaks, you're typically covered under the mover's liability. So for fragile or high value items, think TVs, artwork, antiques, professional packing is absolutely worth it. Next up, delivery day. When your stuff arrives, take a deep breath and inspect before you sign anything. If you notice damage, write it directly on the bill of lading. Take photos immediately. Keep the damaged boxes and packing materials until your claim is settled. And don't sign delivered in good condition if it isn't. Once you sign that, your claim options shrink fast. So if something has been damaged, what do you do? Here's your step-by-step claims checklist. Number 1, document the damage immediately. Number 2, contact the mover's claim department. Ask for their claim form or submission email. Number 3, put it in writing. Include your name, contact info, move date, bill of lading number, photos, receipts, everything. Number 4, keep a claims file. Save every email, name and date. Number 5, allow an inspection if they request one. Don't repair or toss items yet. Number 6, review the settlement offer they send. Number 7, if you disagree, escalate. You can appeal internally, go to your state's regulator, or even small claims court if necessary. After investigation, you'll get one of 3 results: full replacement or repair payment, partial settlement, which you can usually negotiate, or a denial, usually for late filing or self-packed exclusions. If you're denied, ask for the reason in writing, gather more evidence, and consider arbitration or small claims if it's worth it. So to recap, document everything, know your mover's coverage, and don't sign off until you've checked your stuff. With the right prep, even if accidents happen, you can protect your pocket and your peace of mind. Thanks for joining us today. Now give us a call at 1-800-989-8833 or go straight to moveadvisor.com/quote to get 4 quotes from reliable pre-screened movers. Our movers will even do a visual estimate so you know exactly what you're paying for. No surprises. If you found this information useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more moving tips, and share your moving experiences in the comments below. Happy moving. Bye for now.